Ka kanhun ni lekai kan jadbol ka ba hapo ka khat sansnem karta na Ribhoy district ka Downgate football club na mai khliak layo banya kun final bar ka kanhun ni lekai Haiti football club Dimapur ha ka jila nagalan ha ka ni lekai ka tip ka first summer football tournament 8000 arpon riu ha ka ni lekai ka Downgate football club layo ban thap arkol bar job pyrshah ya ka Haiti football club layo ban thap shigol ha ka ni lekai ka ne jing job klawan ra burom ya ka Ribhoy district bar ka jila hi bro hwei ka jing lekai ha ka final long ba juat ba ka ba kini ki arkun hon baro kelapan pau ya jitbit ka jingel kai ya kan jingel kai kinjat bol kebla punlong daga Dimapur Don Bosco higher secondary school hak jingel kai kebla ne laisin leter hak ne jingel kai ka Downgate football club klayo banra artli ki khusnam kum kirangel kai ya kanam best defender layora dau kamper makri ba ya kanam best goalkeeper layora dau wanshan thaba ya ka kanun ne kai ka Downgate football club nong po Ribhoy district layalam do ba David Marwen kum no hikai bar ka kong riba kular mani kum ka manager ka jingdon gane ka kanhun klapli lat ya khna bakinyo el akai bar se ya ka sap ka bakidon ya gane jel akai summer football tournament ka lapnya daga Dimapur sport association ya ka bala penel akai hamadan el akai jong ka Dimapur Don Bosco higher secondary school Dimapur Nagaland ka bala long Laising lenter nadu ka khalai hadu ka khat santrik naitung arhajar arpon riu
football tournament. Bless all the players who came to take part in it. They have done marvelous thing by playing in the spirit of games and sports. And their last sign of fellowship was itself that it was not an uncontrolled competition. And winning and losing is part of life. And losers have nothing to worry. They will win the next time. And we wish you God's blessings. God protect them from all misfortunes and accidents.
Nice. Nice.